Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to talk about telling stories on YouTube can really help your business growing. So telling stories can really help your channel grow because people love good stories. So if this is your first time at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is? It is that perfect time. Let's talk about a story. Storytelling is really good for your online business. Storytelling, right? So reason why I picked this topic today because one of my subscribers was saying, I really love the way you tell stories through email and video. And I was like, well, this is the topic today to basically show you that when you're starting an online business or you already have an existing business, telling the story is awesome. Telling the story about, how did you start your YouTube channel? Telling the story about, how did you started your own online business? Telling the story that when you got your first sale, telling the story when you got your first, hell, you can tell the story when you first got your first rejection. Your first rejection. So telling stories can really grow your business, can impact other people's lives and impact other people's mind as well. So let me tell you a quick story. Quick little story here is that when I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't know what to expect. I was hearing that everybody needs to do video. I was hearing all the messages that you need to do video to build your brand. You need to do video to build a relationship like we're doing right now. We're building a relationship right now. We need to do video to really get our product and services out there to the marketplace. I kept hearing about this. So I was like, well, I'm going to start an online business. Why not start a YouTube channel? So when I did start the YouTube channel, I froze. I completely froze because I said, well, I got the YouTube channel. What the heck I'm going to talk about? What the heck I'm going to talk about? Even though I've already started my online business, I didn't know what to talk about. So basically, I started the channel, but I didn't do a video right away. So what I did was, let me watch other videos. So I started watching other videos in my niche. So go ahead and take some notes on this. So I started doing other videos around my niche, affiliate marketing, online building, starting YouTube channel, YouTube, and being a YouTuber and things like that. I started doing things around my niche. So I watched about maybe 6 or 7 videos probably within an hour and a half. So I was just kind of watching. I go, okay, this is how he started his channel. This is how he ends the channel. So when I'm telling you about a quick story is that I just started watching a bunch of videos. And then when I started watching videos, I started doing my first video. I started my first video. When I did my first video, okay, I had all the information down. And then I still froze. I was like, so my name is Adam Shelton and welcome. I was still nervous, so basically the moral to the story is when you're first starting something, it may not be good at all. That's what it is. And I was nervous, I was sweating. And the thing about it though, I was sweating outside with very air conditioned in the room. But I was sweating. I was like, I don't know what to say. So I was really nervous. So it took some time for me to get comfortable in front of a camera. It took some time for me to understand what I'm talking about and how we can build a relationship, instantaneously, things like that. So the moral to the story was I was nervous. I didn't know what to say, even though I had notes all over the place. I had too much notes. But I wasn't myself. So basically what I'm telling you, when you start your YouTube channel, when you start your online business, you have to be yourself. You want to watch other people's stuff. You want to learn from the people who's doing it. A lot of good YouTubers out there, a lot of good people there building great businesses online using video just like this. But you want to be yourself. You want to find your own niche, your own energy level, your own type of content that you want to talk about. So telling stories can impact your business. Telling stories can really get people to start thinking. So like Adam Shelton, he was nervous, he was sweating. Yeah, I was sweating. I was watching other people's videos. So I was writing all these notes down right now. Okay, I'm writing this down. And my wife was sitting over in the corner. She was sitting here like, he ain't gonna do too well. She was sitting right over there. She was like, he ain't gonna do too well. But she didn't tell me though. But she had that look. You know that look? He ain't gonna do too well. So I'm sitting writing all this information down, and I just turned on the camera, literally turned on the camera, and froze again. I just kept freezing. So after probably the 11th take, I was finally able to give some words out, actually. Finally. So the moral to the story, I didn't give up. I kept practicing. I kept, watching other videos. And then eventually I got a mentor and a coach. Then I got a system that really kind of helped me in terms of leveraging what I'm talking about, because I needed an offer or an affiliate, something to leverage what I'm talking about. So later on I got that. So it happened. But the moral to the story was I didn't give up, even though I was terrible at it. I was completely terrible at it. But I started being myself. I started showing the energy. Sometimes I use my hands too much sometimes. But anyway, but the moral to the story, I didn't give up. Even though the wife was over there, she was sitting there like, he gonna mess up. He messing up right now. And I was like, yep. I was sitting there like, yep, I'm messing up right now. So basically, starting a YouTube channel can really grow your business, whatever you're trying to market. If it's insurance, if it's affiliate marketing, if it's just selling, heck, if it's just selling pretty much products. If it's selling products, video is great for you to do that. So I suggest you to start your YouTube channel right away and go ahead and start doing videos. Watch other people's videos in terms of getting ideas on exactly what you want to do. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, subscribe every single day, because I do videos every single day to help you grow your business. Because I know you're a beginner or a newbie, or you haven't even started a YouTube channel. I know. Or if you got a YouTube channel, ain't no videos on there. I go and look at it, maybe like your last video was like 5 weeks ago. So anyway, I'm not trying to joke on that. But anyway, grow your business today. Start your YouTube channel today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell a story to impact somebody else's life. Tell a story about yourself, your journey, things like that. Because stories sell, I'm telling you. Stories do tell. Stories do tell. Stories do sell. So like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see you on the next video. I can't wait. And don't forget, tell that story today. I'll see you tomorrow.